我係小夫 ，APEC 中國年首場正式活動，2026 APEC 第一次高官會及相關會議喺廣州啟幕。與會嘉賓走出會議室，踏上5條精心設計嘅城市參訪線路，沉浸式體驗灣區活力，感知中國脈搏。線路嘅設計非常之巧妙。從科技創新線路嘅智能裝備，到綠色生態線路嘅海珠濕地，再到嶺南文化線路嘅永慶坊活化，再去到循環發展綠美鄉村線路嘅古村蝶變。睇上去係聚焦廣州一個地方，但實際上係串聯起大灣區嘅產業協同、生態理念、文化根脈同城鄉融合實踐，勾勒出中國發展嘅多元途徑。特別係科技創新嘅線路，每一站都令到與會嘉賓驚嘆連連。
It looks like the future. Technologically super advanced, very clean, very educated, very safe. So really positively impressed.
正所謂百聞不如一見，嘉賓親眼所見嘅都市風貌，親身接觸嘅前沿科技，遠比紙面數據同埋會議發言更有說服力。呢個亦都係參訪活動嘅核心價值，用實景打破認知壁壘，令到中國嘅發展智慧同合作誠意睇得到摸得着。
I think China is the best place to live and also to do the business. And I never change about that perspective. I think China is the good one to get the opportunity to start their life.
APEC 首場正式活動選址廣州，絕對唔係偶然。接近1200億美元嘅 APEC 經濟體累計外資合作，超過6895億元嘅進出口規模，為呢一場實景對話奠定咗堅實嘅信任基礎。
I really think this is important and crucial for everyone to go to see the cultural, the site events. I think the international cooperation is key. Like we have to further strengthen our commitment and also the cooperation in the Asia-Pacific regions.
5條線路搭建起嘅實景橋梁，令到嘉賓帶走嘅唔單止係對一座城嘅鮮活印象，更加係對中國發展模式嘅直觀認知。從廣州實景到中國圖景，從體驗感知到合作共識，呢一系列嘅參訪活動，正係將創新活力轉化為務實嘅動能，為亞太合作注入中國力量。